If you're considering Wrike for your productivity and time management needs, there are some important things you should know before committing. Wrike is one of the top competitors in the space, but how does it stack up against the likes of Monday.com, Asana, or Trello? Let's dive into the 12 key points you should consider before buying. First, Wrike is an all-in-one work management platform that offers a lot of customization options, making it appealing to larger teams or organizations. However, compared to something like Asana, it can be a bit more complex to set up, and some new users may feel overwhelmed. Next thing to note, Wrike's user interface is feature-rich, but that comes at a cost. It's packed with options like Gantt charts, time tracking, and reporting, but it can sometimes feel like there's too much going on, especially if you're coming from simpler tools like Trello or ClickUp. The third thing you need to know is about Wrike's task management system. It's strong, allowing you to assign tasks, create dependencies, and track progress easily. But unlike Monday.com, it lacks some of the more visual, drag and drop task management features, which could be a deal breaker if you prefer a more hands-on approach. The fourth thing, Wrike offers powerful integrations with tools like Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace. While it's impressive in this area, it's not as seamless as what you'll find with ClickUp, which tends to have a broader range of integrations, especially for smaller businesses. Moving on, one of Wrike's most praised features is its reporting and analytics tools. You can track team performance, task completion, and project timelines. However, these reports can feel a bit more advanced and harder to understand for non-technical users, unlike tools like Asana that provide simpler, more digestible reports. Next, let's talk about collaboration. Wrike does a solid job with real-time editing, comments, and file sharing, making it easy for teams to communicate. But if you're looking for something that's more intuitive and easy to jump into, Trello or Monday.com might offer a smoother experience. The sixth thing is Wrike's pricing. While it offers a free plan, the premium features start at a higher cost compared to many of its competitors. If you're a smaller team or just getting started, you may find Asana's free version or ClickUp's lower-tier pricing more appealing. The seventh thing to keep in mind is Wrike's security and permissions. It offers enterprise-level security features like single sign-on, SSO, and two-factor authentication, which makes it a great choice for larger organizations. But for smaller teams, these features may not be as necessary, and you might be paying for more than you need. The eighth point is about the mobile experience. Wrike's mobile app is functional, but it's not as polished or user-friendly as Asana's app, which offers a smoother mobile experience for users on the go. Next thing, Wrike has a steep learning curve, especially when you're trying to implement it across a large team. If you prefer something that's easy to get up and running with, tools like Monday.com or Trello are much more intuitive out of the box. The 10th thing you should consider is the workflow automation features. Wrike allows you to automate repetitive tasks, which is great for streamlining processes. However, the automation capabilities aren't as robust as those offered by ClickUp, which offers more flexibility and ease of use when setting up workflows. The 11th thing, Wrike does excel in its resource management tools, offering great features for allocating tasks and tracking team workloads. This is a major advantage if you're working on multiple projects at once. However, if you're looking for simplicity, other tools like Trello may be more straightforward for managing resources. Finally, Wrike is a solid option for those looking for a comprehensive work management solution with a lot of flexibility and advanced features. But if you want a tool that's easier to use and gets you started quickly with less setup, you may want to look at our recommended solution, which you can try for free. So, while Wrike has a lot to offer in terms of project management, time tracking, and integrations, it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially those looking for something more intuitive and affordable. Make sure you consider your team's needs carefully before making the leap.